Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 11th video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days for the session 22 to 23. I hope you have watched previous day's video. If not, you can get the link in the I button. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is: the term jamming is associated with which of the following sports? जैमिंग शब्द निम्नलिखित में से किस खेल से संबंधित है? द आंसर इज लॉन टेनिस. The term jamming associated with lawn tennis. This occurs in tennis when a player serves or returns the ball aimed directly for their opponent's chest, therefore jamming them and making it hard for them to return this shot. Moving to second question: who has created history and become the first Indian medalist at the 2003 World Athletics Championships in Paris, when she won a bronze medal in women's long jump 6.70, जिसने इतिहास रचा है और पेरिस में 2003 विश्व एथलेटिक्स चैंपियनशिप में पहली भारतीय पदक विजेता बनी, जब उसने महिलाओं की लंबी कूद में कांस्य पदक जीता? द आंसर इज अंजू बॉबी जॉर्ज. Retired Indian athlete Anju Bobby George made history when she won bronze medal in long jump at the 2003 World Athletics Championship in Paris. In March 2021, Anju won the BBC Lifetime Achievement Award for Best Athlete in India. Moving to next question. Which is the longest river in Sri Lanka? श्रीलंका की सबसे लंबी नदी कौन सी है? द आंसर इज महावेली. Mahaveli Ganga is the longest river in Sri Lanka. Its length is 335 km, 208 miles. It rises on the Hatton Plateau on the western side of the island country. Moving to next question. Which city in Pakistan is called the Gardens of the Mughals or City of Gardens? पाकिस्तान के किस शहर को मुगलों का बगीचा या बगीचों का शहर कहा जाता है? द आंसर इज लाहौर. The city of Lahore in Pakistan is called the City of Gardens. Gulshan-e-Iqbal, Hazuri Bagh, Iqbal Park, etc. are some famous parks and gardens of Lahore. Moving to next question. Jizya dance originated in which state of India? जिजिया नृत्य की उत्पत्ति भारत के किस राज्य में हुई? एंड द आंसर इज बिहार. Jizya is a cultural dance from the Mithila region Bihar of the Indian subcontinent. It is mostly performed at the time of Dasahara in the dedication to Durga Vairavi, the goddess of victory. Moving to next question. Who was the first Indian to cross the English Channel? इंग्लिश चैनल को पार करने वाले पहले भारतीय कौन थे? द आंसर इज मिहिर सेन. Indian long distance swimmer Mihir Sen was the first Indian to conquer the English Channel from Dover to Calais in 1958. Moving to next question. Pandit Budhaditya Mukherjee is associated with which of the following musical instrument? पंडित बुधादित्य मुखर्जी निम्नलिखित में से किस वाद्य यंत्र से जुड़े हैं? एंड द आंसर इज सितार. पंडित Budhaditya Mukherjee, Indian classical sitar and surbahar maestro of the Imad Khani Gharana, he holds a unique distinction of being the first ever artist in the history to perform in the House of Commons, London, UK. Moving to next question. On whose birthday National Education Day is celebrated? राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा दिवस किसके जन्मदिन पर मनाया जाता है? द आंसर इज मौलाना अबुल कलाम आज़ाद. National Education Day is celebrated on the birthday of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. It is celebrated on November 11 every year since 2008. He was independent India's first education minister. Moving to next question. Who was the first defense minister of independent India? स्वतंत्र भारत के पहले रक्षा मंत्री कौन थे? And the answer is बलदेव सिंह. The first defense minister of independent India was Baldev Singh Chokar, who served in PM Jawaharlal Nehru cabinet during 1947 to 52. Moving to next question. Dogri language is mainly spoken in which of the following state / union territory? डोगरी भाषा मुख्य रूप से निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य / संघ राज्य क्षेत्र में बोली जाती है? आंसर इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, जम्मू और कश्मीर। डोगरी लैंग्वेज इज ऑफिशियली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड लैंग्वेज ऑफ इंडिया। इट इज ए नॉर्दर्न इंडो आर्यन लैंग्वेज। मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which one of the following allows the user to store, organize, calculate and manipulate the available data in a tabular format? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा एक उपयोगकर्ता को एक सारणीबद्ध प्रारूप में उपलब्ध डेटा को संग्रहित, व्यवस्थित, गणना और हेरफेर करने की अनुमति देता है? एंड द आंसर इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल। Microsoft Excel is a commonly used Microsoft Office application. It is a spreadsheet program which is used to save and analyze numerical data. Moving to next question. In which year the administration of India was transferred into the hands of British monarch by the proclamation of Queen Monarch? महारानी सम्राट की घोषणा द्वारा भारत का प्रशासन किस वर्ष ब्रिटिश सम्राट के हाथों में स्थानांतरित कर दिया गया था? The answer is 1858. The administration of India was transferred into the hands of British monarch by the proclamation of Queen Victoria in the year 1858. Moving to next question. What is the full form of PSLV? PSLV का पूर्ण रूप क्या है? The answer is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. ध्रुवीय उपग्रह प्रक्षेपण यान। Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle is an expendable medium lift launch vehicle was designed and operated by ISRO. The PSLV is the third generation launch vehicle of India. Moving to next question. आपका भला सबकी भलाई is the tagline of which of the following bank? आपका भला सबकी भलाई निम्नलिखित में से किस बैंक की टैगलाइन है? The answer is बंधन बैंक। आपका भला सबकी भलाई is the tagline of Bandhan Bank. The bank started its operation on August 23, 2015. It is headquartered in Kolkata. Moving to next question. Who among the following invented the World Wide Web in 1989? निम्नलिखित में से किसने 1989 में वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब का आविष्कार किया था? एंड द आंसर इज टिम बर्नर्स-ली। टिम बर्नर्स-ली। Sir Tim Berners-Lee invented World Wide Web in 1989. English computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee is a professional fellow of computer science at the University of Oxford and a professor at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Moving to next question. The book titled Social Harmony is written by whom? Social Harmony नामक पुस्तक किसके द्वारा लिखी गई है? The answer is नरेंद्र मोदी। The book titled The Social Harmony is the compilation of the article written by Narendra Modi, which shows his love for the underprivileged, his endeavor to share in their joys and sorrows, the excellence of his thought processes, and his sensitivity towards the society. Moving to next question. Which of the following is called as the thin layer of living cells just inside the bark of tree? निम्नलिखित में से किस पेड़ की छाल के अंदर जीवित कोशिकाओं की पतली परत कहा जाता है? द आंसर इज कैम्बियम। कैम्बियम इज ए थिन फॉर्मेटिव लेयर बिटवीन द जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम of most vascular plants that give rise to new cells and is responsible for secondary growth. Moving to next question. Which person are given 51st दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड? 51वां दादा साहब फाल्के पुरस्कार किस व्यक्ति को दिया गया है? द आंसर इज रजनीकांत। The 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2019 has been conferred to legendary actor Rajnikant. Moving to next question. Which of the following Indian ruler was defeated by Mahmud Ghazni in his first attack in the year 1001 AD? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा भारतीय शासक महमूद गजनी ने वर्ष 1001 ईस्वी में अपने पहले हमले में पराजित किया था? द आंसर इज जयपाल। Indian ruler Jaipal was defeated by Mahmud Ghazni in the Battle of Peshawar, which was fought on November 27, 1001. As a result of the humiliation of defeat, Jaipal later immolated himself in a funeral pyre. Moving to next question. What is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth called? पृथ्वी की ठोस परत या कठोर ऊपरी परत को क्या कहते हैं? The answer is lithosphere. स्थलमंडल. The solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth is called lithosphere. It is made up of the brittle crust and the top part of the upper mantle. The lithosphere is the coolest and most rigid part of the earth. Moving to next question. What is the SI unit of radioactivity? रेडियो धर्मिता की SI इकाई क्या है? The answer is becquerel. SI unit of radioactivity is becquerel. It is named after French scientist Henri Becquerel. Radioactivity basically refers to the particles which are emitted from nuclei as a result of nuclear instability. Moving to next question. Atom bombs are works for which concept? परमाणु बम किस अवधारणा के लिए काम करता है? The answer is nuclear fission. परमाणु विखंडन. The principle behind the working of an atom bomb is nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is breaking of atoms and nuclear fusion is joining of atoms. Moving to next question. Which one becomes the first carrier in India to test a 5G network? 5G नेटवर्क का परीक्षण करने वाला भारत का पहला कैरियर कौन बन गया है? The answer is Airtel. Airtel becomes the first carrier in India to test 5G network. The first 5G trials were held in Manesar, Gurgaon, and it achieved a user throughput of more than 3 Gbps. Moving to next question. Tears in the eyes are produced by which of the following glands? आँखों में आंसू निम्न में से किस ग्रंथि द्वारा उत्पन्न होते हैं? And the answer is lacrimal gland. अश्रु ग्रंथि. Tears in the eye are produced by lacrimal gland. The lacrimal gland is located within the orbit of the lateral end of the eye. It continually releases fluid which cleanses and protects the eye surface as it lubricates and moistens it. These lacrimal secretions are commonly known as tears. Moving to next question, and it is the last question of today. Who among the following is the longest serving president of India? निम्नलिखित में से कौन भारत के सबसे लंबे समय तक सेवा देने वाले राष्ट्रपति हैं? The answer is Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of independent India and also the longest serving president as the only president to serve 2 or more terms in office, 1952 to 62. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.